Hey, what's up guys? So this video is going to be very short and it's going to hopefully answer some of the questions that you guys have about the O2 extensions when you're putting headers into your 2018 Mustang. Alright, so at the time of this video, I know this will change in the future, but at the time of this video, there are no O2 extensions for the 2018 Mustang. It's a completely different plug, and I'm going to show you what I did to combat this. So these are pretty much what's going to come with most of the kits out there. They're the 15 through 17 headers. Get rid of that plug. Anyway, so this is what they look like compared to the flat style that's in the 18. So these do not work. Alright, so the main problem is the driver's side front. So this is kind of what I've done. If you follow the wire going up through there, I actually reach my hand up through that area, unplug some of the little clips, and move the whole wiring harness back, and then zip tied them in place. There is a little give, and then I've zip tied it there. So until a company comes out with proper extensions for the 2018, this is kind of what I've done temporarily. It's a tight fit, but there is a little bit of give, so it is safe. Now for the passenger front, it's a pretty good fit there. You do have to unbolt some of the wires from the side of the transmission, and you just move them back and zip tie them in place. Now for the rear, basically you just stretch them out and then they go back in place right there. And then I put them under this cross member here, or I'm sorry, on top, and it keeps them out of the way and safe from the ground. Same thing on the other side. And sorry for the shaky camera. Here's what they look like for the 2018. So they're flat instead of kind of round. So they are quite different. Alright, so that's a fast little video. Just mainly making this video because a lot of you guys had the questions about it. I'm kind of the guinea pig here when doing this stuff to the 18. So until another company comes out with the proper extensions, this is how I'm going to run it. And then of course I'll order the new ones whenever somebody releases them. But it is possible, so when you guys are doing headers in your 18, just follow these steps, and then kind of be very careful with it whenever you're pulling on wires and stuff like that. You don't want to damage anything, but just be safe about it. And thanks for watching. Hopefully this will help you guys. I'll see you next time.